Welcome back, and today we start once again with Baris Baktas, but through the lens of international perception. Because one of the most telling developments in his career is how his popularity extended beyond Turkey into regions where Turkish dramas dominate daily viewing habits. Reports of his growing recognition in the Middle East, along with poll-based acknowledgments, suggest that his appeal translated successfully into markets that value strong male leads in both romantic and historical narratives. At the same time, Yagmur Yuksel's international visibility follows a different pattern, one driven less by genre expansion and more by fan engagement. Her name continues to circulate through fan communities that translate, share, and reinterpret her work, which allows her presence to remain active even when new projects are limited. This kind of visibility is less structured, but highly persistent, often driven by emotional attachment rather than industry positioning. Returning to Baris, what makes his situation particularly interesting is that his transition into historical drama aligns well with international demand. Series like Selahattin Ayyubi have a built-in audience in multiple regions, which means that his exposure is not dependent on a single show's success, but on the broader appeal of the genre itself. This creates a more stable platform for long-term recognition. Meanwhile, Yagmur's path remains more unpredictable, but potentially more flexible. Without being tied to a single genre or production type, she has the opportunity to redefine herself in multiple directions, whether through digital series, cinema, or a return to television. The key challenge is timing, choosing the right project at the right moment to convert existing attention into renewed impact. So when we look at both careers side by side, we see two different forms of internationalization, Baris through structured expansion and Yagmur through sustained fan-driven visibility. And that brings us to a final question. What ultimately creates a global star? Consistent exposure through major productions, or an audience that refuses to let your name disappear?